Rush Mini Medical School is a program that our students and faculty developed so that children in 4th and 5th grade can get an idea of what it's like to literally be in medical school.
Our goal is that if we can spark an interest in some type of healthcare field, they will go back to their own communities and become healthcare workers, and thus we can engage them into taking care of their own community.
And so we just want them to see that medicine is more than just going to medical school and becoming a doctor. There's so many different avenues that you can go down in order to play a support role within the medical field.
It's so exciting to see how excited they are. The other thing that's really fun for me is to offer a leadership opportunity for our medical students, because the medical students who run the program truly manage everything.
So what were some of the symptoms they mentioned in the video?
This year we really tried to revamp our curriculum and really try to make things very interactive and really try to have a couple of good teaching points for each activity.
We help develop the curriculum and just organize the program, the day-to-day logistics of it, recruiting volunteers, recruiting the students, and just making sure everything's set up for it to be an enjoyable experience for the students.
These kids teach me something new every week, and I learn different ways to teach to different knowledge bases, which I think is just really going to be helpful for me going forward as a physician.
As a medical institution, we can solve the current problems the patient might present with, but we can't really solve the reason they presented with that problem unless we incorporate the community, unless we try to solve the community issues. So I think, in particular, MiniMed is helping target this by creating an access for these kids who are often from the West Side, who might be going to underprivileged schools, that don't have the funding necessarily to be involved in science, to get the exposure as well as to get the mentorship.
Young people who tend to go into healthcare have a family member that's in healthcare. These guys, they don't have that. They'll be lucky if they have a family member who went to college. Oftentimes they're first generation. It's the reality of it. They get to connect and be encouraged and motivated to succeed.
They ask the most profound questions and very thought-provoking questions, and it really impressed me. And just seeing that moment makes it all worth it.